प्रिय भाई ओ बोनी माने आपन मानन को समस्तों को मोर नमस्कार. We are holding this meeting today at Sankho Bhavan, our party office, to welcome Srimati Sujata Raut to the Biju Janata Dal. She will join as a simple member of the party. There will be no post given to her as yet. Let her acclimatize herself to party and to party work. As you know, she was in the IAS. She has held several good posts, responsible posts in that position. And last of all, she did a great deal of work for the women of the state and of the party. I'm sure as she gets used to being in the Biju Janata Dal and acclimatizing herself to the work there, she will prove to be a worthwhile member of the party. I welcome her again to the Biju Janata Dal. Many thanks. All of you important members of our party, of the Biju Janata Dal, for attending today's meeting. I will be leading the party in the next elections, in the next general elections, and I feel that the people of our beloved state will again bless all of us, including me, to form the government and bring peace, prosperity, and honesty for the people of Odisha. Bande Utkal Jai.